Today we have a dresser here, and I'm going to show you how to protect this when you move. This is the professional way, and realistically it's the best way to prevent any damage when you move. Now what we need for this are 2 moving pads, 2 rubber bands. It's very easy, but making sure it's done properly is the only way that you'll be able to ensure that your dressers and your furniture stay protected from any damage throughout the entirety of your move. If you guys need any moving supplies such as rubber bands, moving pads, go ahead and take a look in the description below. We have them all listed right there for you. So what we'll do, come on in here, Andrew, is we're going to take 1 moving pad first. Now these are not true squares, these are rectangles, and we'll stretch it out. So I have this going the wrong way here. We want to make sure that we have it horizontally, not vertically. We'll drape it over. So basically what we want is the long side going this way, give us the most coverage available. As you guys can see, I've made it flush across the bottom to ensure that we have the legs and the entire front of the piece covered. Now if you have a very long one, don't worry that it's exposed over here. That's what the second pad is for. Go ahead, Andrew, come on in. We'll drape that over now. Again, guys, we're going to cover this entirely, going all the way to the bottom here. As you guys can see, we have the pad flush with the ground here, making sure that we have everything covered. Now we have some excess pad here. What I'll do here is I'll pull it straight out. Andrew's already got that side done over there, but it's going to make a straight edge here. And you can see that it's perfectly flush on the ground. This will take and wrap around the side of the piece. Now we have everything covered. Making sure it was a straight edge helps us make sure that we have full coverage on the bottom. Andrew's already got that side done. Okay, now Andrew and I are going to be putting the rubber bands on. We'll start one side and then we'll work our way around the other. Okay, now that's going to hold these pads in place perfectly. And this last one also is to hold these pads in place. We're going to go all the way down, making sure that we have full coverage. We don't want any bunching because then we could get caught. You guys could add as many rubber bands as necessary to ensure that the pads don't come off. You could even run them around the piece, so basically up and down if you really wanted to. We don't really have to do that all the time here. Maybe if you get into a crazy carry where you have to put the piece up on end, you might have to do it then, but realistically, 2 rubber bands, 2 pads is all you need. Now I see a lot of guys using stretch wrap. If you know how to use bands and pads properly, you won't need any stretch wrap whatsoever. That's kind of a crutch that some movers are using because they really don't know how to use bands. If you guys have any questions, please go ahead and ask away in the comment section below. I'm happy to answer any questions. If you would like to learn more about our movers training program that we offer, if you want to subscribe and teach your movers, go ahead and take a look in the description below. We have the link listed right there for you. We have videos that go further into detail about padding and protecting furniture, as well as how to move pianos and how to pack household items. As always, thank you for watching the video. If you learned something, please hit that like button for me, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos about the moving and storage industry and a few helpful hints and tips that will prepare you for your next move.